Hello, this is Evangelist Dr. Robert L. McKim Sr. from Carrollton, Ohio. Right now we're under a severe thunderstorm warning. It is, what time is it here? 11:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's still Wednesday. There's a line of thunderstorms coming through up a little northwest of me at Waynesburg. 183 and 43. There's a main power line down on 183. They got the whole intersection there blocked off, which that's the main throughway right there. But they got it blocked off because that main line down. They also have React on scene as well to help with traffic control. Probably be the Stark County, Ohio React team. First I've heard React assisting for a long time and or being called out to help out somewhere. And see, that's what basically I used to do when I was in React. And also the what I'm also into with the radio patrol. I'm also OPT state certified, which means Ohio Peace Officer Training Council certified private security officer. And only people who have went through law enforcement training receives those certifications. I went through, it was combination security, law enforcement, and private investigations all rolled into one training. It was 6 months worth of training. But you know, whoa, lightning, and then the power kind of went down and then came back up again. But anyhow, long story short, we're having a thunderstorm. And I would like to mention this. Hang on a second. I gotta grab my computer. Renee's still up and on her computer. There's a person that's been making some comments on my book page. The page from my book that I have. From Canada, and he's a transgender person. I think he's a woman, but he was born a man. Let's see if I can find that. He's been making some comments on my book.
Job 101 at least 45 minutes.
That's my scanner there.
We left on the east side, correction on the west side, and you're going to have 3 left on the east side.
There's a speaker. Up there is where the speaker is, above our board. It's going to be 45 minutes before the power crew can even get there. And then he was saying they have where they have REACT stationed at. This person, Jennifer A, initial A, last name J, J-A-Y, has been making a lot of comments here lately on my book site. Not my ministry site, my book site. I don't know, they did something here with my video, made a cartoon out of my video. They animated me. Gave me Spock ears. Gave me a goatee. I thought lots of times I have a full beard and a goatee. But it gave me Spock ears. These people that are they're wacko. They're a bunch of whack jobs when it comes right down to it. Bunch of whack jobs when it comes right down to it. In the video I did earlier, talking about how they used to do things in the Old West. What I meant to say was I was in the heat of passion of the moment. What I meant to say was that back in the cowboy days, yeah, they used to, hang judges, They used to hang horse thieves, and they used to hang, even if the person was innocent, they hung them. There was a lot of vigilante justice back in the cowboy days. And they didn't have police officers, they had sheriffs and deputy sheriffs in the cowboy days. And so there was a lot of shootouts with sheriffs and deputy sheriffs. It's almost like that is what is happening today. They're saying, the blacks are saying, and some whites as well, Black Lives Matter. Then they get the blue Lives Matter movement, white, and all lives matter. Well, how about all souls matter? How about that? Because that's why I preach. In order to preach the truth of the Word of God, that you need to get right with God and His Son Jesus Christ before it's too late. And soon it's too late. Sooner or later here, it's going to be too late. There's already a strong delusion going over this world. God has turned a lot of these people over there to their reprobate minds. And there's a strong delusion going across the church. There's a lot of Christians who don't want to believe we're in the last days. We might not be in the tribulation yet, but we're in the last days. And we will go through tribulation, because my Bible tells me we are appointed to tribulation. And some people say, well, there's a tribulation all the time. No, There's trials all the time. There's trials all the time. Tribulation is different. Tribulation is when you're put under a lot of pressure, like you're being squeezed from every side. That's what tribulation is. Are you being squeezed from every side? Are you being hated for His name's sake? Like I am? Because that's what this one person, this Jennifer A. J. had said to me. Another comment. I save a lot of things. She said that I hate you. He hates me. I am hated for His name. And they're stealing my name and my ministry's name and trying to make it their own, and also try to make me look bad by posting videos that they take and chop up and make it their own. You need to stop right now. I'm telling you, stop. You're probably laughing your head off because, oh, what, he's not a cop. No, I'm a citizen.
Wants to go Pokemon Go hunting.
Hang on a second. I'm a citizen of the United States of America. I have rights. And I have the right to preach. Even on YouTube, whether you like it or not. And I also had a right to place people under arrest for a felony. And my law book says extortion is a third-degree felony. Already working on charges. So, you think you're smart? Well, I'm not saying the word, but you are a smart. Because it's not Christian-like to say it. But long story short, all souls matter. All souls matter. White souls, black souls, brown souls, yellow souls, red souls. All souls matter. That's what we should be saying. Not all lives matter, but all souls matter. That even means the unborn soul matters as well. God bless you. Have a blessed day.